It's Tuesday, February 26th at about 2:05 in the afternoon, and it's a glorious 8 degrees out and sunny. So I thought I'd take the old bike around the small loop out here. It's just about a 16-kilometer loop. I got to blow up the tires a bit first, get about 70 pounds of pressure in them, and I want to lube my chain with some ceramic lube here. So I haven't ridden this bike since December, so I've got to put some air in the tires. Got to get it up to about 70 pounds. And this tire was low because I had a bit of trouble getting this clamp on the valve this time. I think because I used it for pumping the tractor tire up and some liquid got in here from that, but now it seems to be sort of working. So there we are, 70 pounds. Cap on. Great. My chain's got a little bit of rust showing on it because I had hosed it down in the fall with water after a dirty ride. And I guess I didn't dry it off enough. Anyhow, so I'm just going to put some of this ceramic lube on here. It's a white, creamy looking stuff. The chain needs some lubricant first of all, before I go. Okay, we've pretty well gone around the full chain now. I'll just put a few dabs on the cassette here, work it in as I go. Hopefully that'll do for now. Monday, February 26th at 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm out for my first bike ride since December. It's a beautiful day right now, calm and 6 to 7 degrees. A little bit cool, but I'm out riding the small loop here. It's about a 16-kilometer loop, and I'll take a few video clips along the way. So nice to get out. I just had to go. I was going to hold off till it got a bit warmer, but I can't. I got to get out. So for those of you who have not seen me riding on the bike before, I just thought I'd talk a bit about the bike I'm riding. This is a 2015 Surly Long Haul Trucker. It's a steel bike built by Surly Bikes, and it's mainly a touring bike, but I ride it like a standard bicycle for the most part. It's a 60 centimeter frame because I'm about 6'2", and it's a fairly good size frame. I probably should have got one size smaller perhaps, because they are quite large frames to begin with. And as you can see, this one has cantilever brakes. This model didn't get disc brakes until later years. But I really like it for overall riding. I've got 35C tires on it, Michelin ProTech, and they're quite nice. Michelin ProTech Cross. And I've got a Brooks B17 saddle on it right now. I may change that out eventually. Well, it's a little bit cool, but not bad. Primarily because there's sun on me constantly and there's no wind. So, other than just the wind of the bicycle. It's nice to get out again. Beautiful. And I don't feel that cool at all, really. Beautiful out. There actually is a little bit of a westerly, northwesterly breeze. I felt it more as I came out into the open. And it's been a bit cool, but not bad. And now I've got the breeze behind my back, so things are even better now. So far the road has been nice and dry, just a light sand from the winter salting. Still on the road, although nothing major. I can't remember the last time I've ridden my bike in February. In fact, I'm not sure if I ever have. Typically February in southern Ontario here in Canada, you're not riding a bike unless you're maybe in a city where the streets are always clear. But out in the country, you're typically not riding a bike in February. So this is very unusual, and this winter, like many places in North America, has been very warm this year overall on average. So I guess we're just seeing the effects of climate change ever more and more. And while it's nice in a way, it also makes you wonder what the heck is coming down the line. Anyhow, I'm out here to enjoy it today, so I don't want to get too negative and depressed about it all right now. This stretch is beautiful here because I got the sun on me and I got the little bit of wind that there is behind me. So very pleasant going. The roads are in good condition and hardly any traffic at all. Nice way to start my riding season, hopefully. Not that I believe that winter is over quite yet. I think we could still have 1 or 2 good winter storms in us yet for this year, but maybe I'll be surprised. Now, looking at this scene, you wouldn't think it would be a great day to go cycling, would you? You'd think you were in the dead of winter somewhere. And we are, but just a little respite from the cold temperatures. Gee, the more I see along this road, I think I should have brought my skates with me. There's a few areas that look pretty good for skating. Of course, you couldn't really go on them because they're on private land, but they look inviting. I guess I wouldn't be skating here. Back into a bit of a headwind again, heading southeast here. Who are these riffraff? Hey Colby. Hey Colby. Hey Colby. Hey Colby. Hey Colby. Hey Colby. Just me.
Did you see on your bike ride?
Yeah.
Piper's first outing on the road. Well, second.
Oh, wow. The route was nice. All dry. Up on the top, you have the wind behind you. There we are, the first ride of 2024. Beautiful ride through the country. Hopefully there'll be many more to come this year.